Dear students, Standard 9th, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 17, Natural Vegetation. Today's topic is Forest Conservation and Remedies to Conserve the Forest. But before that, we talk about earlier first three videos which we have already discussed. In video number 1, we discuss about meaning of natural vegetation. Second video, we talk about types of natural vegetation. Then third video we talk about forest product and their utility, their medicinal utility and environmental importance of forest. Now in today's video we'll talk about forest conservation and remedies to conserve the forest. Now before we start this topic we'll discuss forest conservation. What is forest conservation? In simply by listening this word or by saying this word we can understand to save or to protect the forest. But why it is required? What are the reasons why the forests are destroying? Today we'll discuss about that and then we'll talk about remedies to conserve the forest. So first of all, forest conservation. Ecosystem is formed due to the interrelation of biosphere and mankind. But due to the anti-environmental activities and selfishness of man, the ecosystem is disturbed. Now, there are so many reasons for the destruction of forests, but today we'll discuss some of it. For example, forests are destroyed. I mention here. Forests are destroyed by increasing population, then policy of establishing industrial units away from residential area, apart from this, urbanization, construction of multi-purpose project, then construction of road, to get timber, fuel wood, forest fire, etc. So these are the main reasons that forests are destroying day by day or year by year. So now in second para we'll talk about what happened due to the destruction of forest. So we'll talk about adverse effects are noticed due to forest destruction. Now this includes These includes decrease in rainfall, second one is drought, global warming, greenhouse effect, advancing desert, homelessness of wild animals, etc. So these are the adverse effect due to the destruction of forest, and these all things happen due to selfishness of man only. So now we'll take our today's topic, remedies to conserve the forest. So dear students, first of all we need to understand the word what is remedies. Remedies means steps, or you can say you can strict steps, or other in an other way we can say which kind of way we are using to conserve the forest. So remedies to conserve forest, it's a simple topic. So first of all we'll discuss about this, where it is started, by whom it is started. So the government of India, the government of India implemented a national forest policy in 1952. Please remember this year. Okay, whatever the numericals is coming, you must have to remember. And in 1980, the parliament passed legislative act, and in 1988, I make the underline in all these 3 years, a new forest policy was announced. Now this new forest policy was announced. So what are the steps taken in this new forest policy that we will discuss? So these are the steps now we'll discuss about that taken in the new forest policy. First one, that forests are our nation's resource. Take it as our moral duty to protect them. Please remember students, now these are the steps which are taken in the new forest policy. Second one is this: tree felling should be stopped and heavy punishment heavy punishment must be given to those who cut trees illegally. Then third number, take precautions to avoid forest fire, and in case of fire it must be dosed immediately. Next one, use renewable energy resources as renewable energy resources such as solar energy, bioenergy, wind energy, in place of traditional resources like wood used to get energy. Next one, explain the importance of forest to people through broadcasting, media, and bring public awareness about it. Another one, the steps taken by them: celebrate or create awareness about environment through environmental education and school syllabus. Like I mentioned here, these kind of days we should must have to be celebrated. For example, 21st March, World Forest Day, World Forest Day. 22nd April, Earth Day, that is gone before 2 days only. 5th June, World Environment Day. Then July month, Van Mahotsav. 16 September, World Ozone Day. Apart from this, you can create awareness in the public by social forestry, then media, social media, etc. So these are the steps which are taken in the new forest policy in 1988. It is not compulsory that you need to write only this. In examinations you can write more also about how we can conserve the forest. So students, we have discussed today two topics: forest conservation and remedies to conserve the forest. And it is a video number 4, and I am sure that today our chapter is completed, chapter number 17, natural vegetation, in these 4 videos. So please be careful while preparing, because next Sunday or maybe on another Sunday we'll be having the test. So please prepare these all worksheets and videos. Thank you.